Hello and welcome back. So in here we're looking at meta characters inside character sets. So whenever we make a character set using the square brackets like that, there are only these meta characters that are allowed in there. Once they're inside there, they mean something special. Anything else inside these selection sets, these character sets, doesn't mean anything. It's not special anymore. So for example, if we go to, let's go back to our regular expression 101.com. So if, for example, I'm going to search for, let's say, a question mark. So is this a question? We do that. Now, if I put the question mark inside a brackets like this, it's no longer special. It's no longer, we know this is a meta character on the outside, right? But not when it's inside a character set like this. So once it's in there, it has no special meaning, so it can do that. But these others, for example, the caret like this has a special meaning, because if in this case I say 0 to 9 like that, I'm going to select the whatever isn't a number here, or if I do /d like this, then I'm selecting anything that isn't a number in there, so it has a meaning. So the same goes with the hyphen. If I do 0 to 9, it has a special meaning because it creates a range. And what's the other one? So we have the hyphen, the caret, but then the backslash as well. So if, for example, inside the range, I want to actually match some backslashes like this, some hyphens, for example. Let's see down here. If a hyphen is matched and it isn't, let me make sure of that. It is actually matched because it's saying do not match anything that isn't this. So let's remove the caret like this. So if we have 0 to 9 like this, it means this is a range. But if we want to actually match these hyphens, we have to use the backslash like so. So once we backslash this, it no longer has a special meaning. So it means we are trying to match either a 0, a hyphen, or a 9. So in this case, we have two matches here, one there, just like that. So which makes sense. So it's the same with the caret here. If I put a backslash and put the caret like so, it means if I had a caret in this text, it would actually be matched like that. It has no special meaning anymore. So this is how it works. Inside these square brackets, these have special meaning. But if you add a backslash before any of these two, then that special meaning goes away. You can even add a bracket, another bracket inside these square brackets just by putting a backslash there, and it's going to work out. So let's see, for example, if we had a square bracket here like so, another square bracket there, let's see if we can match those. So we have those square brackets in there, but if I do put a square bracket like that, it actually does that matching, right? That's interesting. Let's see on the other side. It works as well, but just to be sure, put the slash like so to make sure that the backslash, that it's regarded as a special character, so that it's not included in case you may want to put 0 to 9 somewhere else like so. So it should know that. Let's see here. Yeah, so you have 0 to 9 here. It shouldn't think this is your selection, but if you put a backslash like this, this becomes a literal character like that. That way it's clear what you are trying to do here. Okay, so hopefully this is clear what's going on here. A recap, short recap. These guys inside a character set are special. Any other meta characters inside these square brackets are not special at all. And if you want to unspecialize these or make them ordinary characters, just put a backslash before any of these and you are good to go. Alright, so hope you've learned something new in this one as well. I'll see you in the next video.